Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the VIC8X8CH set of back-to-back pull handles from C.R. Lawrence. Here's exactly what they look like. So the VIC in the part number stands for Victorian. This is a Victorian style handle. The 8x8 means that the center to center of the screw holes is 8 inch. And the CH means polished chrome. This is made of solid brass with a polished chrome finish on it, which is very common, of course, in bathrooms, where you're going to see that material. The 8x8 center to center is a reference to where the holes have to be located center to center. The diameter of that hole must be 1/2 inch. There might be a small amount of margin in that, but 1/2 inch is what's really always done. And the glass thickness for the door can be between 1/4 and 1/2 inch. The Victorian style 8x8 is available in 18 different finishes, at least currently. And I won't list all of them here, but if you were to search VIC8X8 and just omit the CH in the part number, which is the finish, you'll pull up all of the available finishes. Many common typical finishes and many that are quite uncommon, like brushed copper. Okay. So installation of this is quite simple and straightforward. This is what it looks like again when it comes from the factory. We're going to use the included Allen wrench to loosen the set screw that's down here in the base of the what would be the interior pull handle. I mean, you've got both of the set screws loosened. That will be your interior. You can see the set screw there, and then there in the bottom. Okay. Now the installation is done via these surface or these through bolts that have this cone head shape. I'm going to do it over the desk so that I don't lose the backing plate. There we go. So you're going to have a bushing that will go in the 1/2 inch hole. You're going to have this cone bolt. Okay. The washer that your handle will sit on top of, like that. Okay. Then, underneath its decorative base plate, there's another washer. But there's no metal, obviously, touching the glass. So your installation is this. Loosen the set screws carefully and don't drop it. Remove the handle. Remove the bolts so that you're left with only the plastic washer on the other side of this. There's a washer there. With one hand, put that on the door. Then, bring the top bolt like this, with the back plate and its washer. Your bushings, I would personally slide it over the bolt, that when you get it to go in, just make sure that you're nesting that inside of the hole. Then simply turn that clockwise and tighten it. Hand tight. Hand tight. Doesn't need to be excessively tight. Just hand tight like that. Do that top and bottom. Then that's secured to the door. You don't have to worry about that falling. You want to take the interior handle, get that pushed down, secure onto its base. Then bring your Allen wrench that again is included and just tighten those up. Always work from the top first. Working from the bottom might allow the top end of it to become loose. That's it, and you just secure it. You'll know that the bottom is the bottom because the set screw is directly in the bottom of the base, whereas at the top it's offset. And I would place that towards the, towards the glass side. Doesn't really matter. But nonetheless, it needs to be towards the top so that you don't see that top set screw there. Okay. Now, the name C.R. Lawrence is synonymous with all things shower door hardware related. Absolutely everything related, whether it's hinges or handles like this. There's a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet. That document is handy because it will give you, well, it gives you some other part numbers. Doesn't do a great job at telling you what those other part numbers mean, but the letters in front of the part number are obviously a reference to designs. What is helpful is the link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line listing of all the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but more helpful would be the link to the subsection of the catalog. C.R. Lawrence's catalog cannot be contained in a single volume. the size of the phone book or larger. So there's a link to shower door hardware that you'll be able to pull up only that section of it, because that's probably what you're looking for if you're looking for this pull handle. And when that catalog comes up, you'll be able to search inside of it for the V1C8X8. And when that comes up, I like to do the find function on the keyboard, whatever that is. So when I type in V1C, it takes me right to that page where it is. Okay, now what's handy is on that page, before and after, are all the other pull handles. It is the easiest way to find this sort of material, and that's just the bottom line. Lots of designs that are there, and actually, very different, radical departures of a Victorian style, but then some that are quite commiserate. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence V1C8X8CH, Victorian style, 8-inch center to center, polished chrome, solid brass handles. You know what? One thing I didn't give you is the projection. From the face of the door to the outside of the pull handle, about 2.5 inch. So pretty much at its widest, this will be probably somewhere in the range of 5.5 inch, 5 1/4. Okay. Nice quality. Gives, being solid brass, this is something that will last the lifetime of the installation. Again, if you have any questions on the V1C8X8CH pull handle, Victorian style, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.